Hi guys, you're watching KMRD Radio Stuff. We're here with Grace with Shack in a Box. They make these awesome, just portable Go Box kits and battery boxes and all kinds of stuff to nerd out with. So tell us a little bit about your product.
Well, we have several different things. We have radio boxes and what we call solar generators. And these solar generators are probably the coolest that we have because they have a battery in it that will charge very quickly, very easily, and actually is impossible to burn due to what it's made out of, how the chemicals are structured.
Mm-hmm.
It is physically impossible for those to catch fire.
Yep.
Whereas many others, like lead acid, will burst if you look at it wrong.
What kind of batteries are you using?
They're called Bioenno LifePro batteries.
Yep. Fantastic batteries.
We try and, although our stuff is a little on the more expensive side, we do our best to make it look neat and as efficient and good quality as possible, because if these go out into a hurricane, you don't want it to break. Like if you have the wrong connector, it'll fall apart and you'll have nothing else. Because
you guys know about operating around hurricanes too.
Yeah, disaster zones, you cannot allow it to break because there is no hardware store to go fix it. So we try and make these to the best, highest quality standard that is possible.
Yeah, these are absolutely beautiful. So how long have you been making these?
Just a few years. It kind of started how in National Parks on the Air year, 2016.
Okay.
We wanted to go out and we had a mess in the back of our car in order to operate in a park.
Yeah.
Like we nearly ruined a radio with sand. So we realized, let's just put this into a box. And we did that. It was a little clunky and heavy, so we learned from that.
Yeah.
Then people started going like, I want to buy it. And we're like, no, this is our Shack. We're not selling it. But when they kept asking, we decided to make more and went ahead and sold our original. And eventually we kept doing that until we decided, let's just make it a business.
Yeah.
So now we're doing, other than radio boxes, we're doing our battery boxes. We've got many different forms of radio boxes. Like this one has a HF and UHF, whereas other ones are only, like that one over there is only UHF, and we have another one over on that table that is only HF.
And you're selling these with all the radios and everything included.
Yes.
You're not just selling the box itself.
Yeah, we sell them all completed.
Yeah, so just total turnkey, get the box, you're on the air, plug in an antenna, and you're done. Yeah, that's great. And you have how many different models?
Let's see. I believe for radio boxes, I believe we should have 3, and they can be either Yaesu or ICOM.
Okay.
You have a choice in that. And we have
That's
2.
good.
Yeah, we have 2 versions of our battery generators.
Okay.
We have a larger one, which is 50 amp hour, actually 60, sorry.
Okay.
60 amp hour, and the little one is 30 amp hours.
Okay. Great. And they're both with Buddy Pole Power Mini 2 charge controllers, which I have and can attest they're fantastic.
Yeah, they're great.
And I use Bioenno, so yeah, they put all the good stuff in a box and right up my alley for portable. So check them out, Shack in a Box. Anything else you got?
No, that's it.
Cool. Awesome.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for the time. Appreciate it.